Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Creativa MK. Today we are making a tea box. First we disassemble the box and start working. The first step is to make ornaments with the help of a silicone mold and this mess. We make two ornaments which we will thin stick on the lid of the box, and I will glue the ornaments with the help of Ircom water-based varnish. So this is the procedure. It's very simple step. Look at the ornament. Like I said, I need two of them, and it's very simple to make them. And here is the Ircon water base varnish and the way I glue them. After gluing the ornaments, I will continue with my work. Look how wonderful they look. But our next step is to decorate the lower part of the box, and I will do that with stencils and acrylic putty. You can find the all stencils that I use in this tutorial at Katarina Uzelac, and I will apply them to the box in this way. See how it looks for now? Step by step to make a wonderful tea box. When we apply the acrylic putty, we gently remove the stencils and get a perfect relief. Means in actually the same way we will do the whole lower part of the box using the different stencils. This is other. I really like to use stencils and I use them a lot of in my tutorials because they really give a special look and charm to our objects. So we get in a very simple way beautiful reliefs and that really brighten up our boxes. And this is a very simple way to do that. When we finish applying the stencils and after they have dried well, we go to the next step, which is to paint the whole box. This time we paint the box with dark brown acrylic paint from the brand Alhambra Art, and I must say that the color is very excellent, and for only one layer is enough to cover the base. Also, it's very important to paint the box inside and outside. While I'm painting the box, check if you have subscribed to my channel. And if you haven't still, I invite you to subscribe to my channel now. And I must say that is completely free, and in that way you're really giving me a lot of support, and with every like my channel naturally only grows. So thank you for all the support you give me, and we go to the next step. Our next step is gluing the motif on the drawer. So this is the motif that I have used before in the video, so you can find it on Pinterest. The motif is really beautiful and it fits with the ornaments and stencils. That is why I decide on it. We apply it by applying acrylic varnish on the base, then we place the motif and we stick out the excess air with a spatula and remove the excess that remains from the paper with a file. And again we put one layer of acrylic paint. I mean a layer of water-based varnish. With the same brown color I will shade the edge of the motif, and then I will using this royal blue, beautiful shade of blue, and I will shade the entire box. So using this blue color, we will shade the whole box to brighten out our relief that we have done, and so that it all fits nicely with the motif. It's very important to use an almost dry sponge to apply this color so that it shades nicely and not smear. Now you can see the way I apply this color and how it should actually look like we do the whole box on this way. I will try not to smear everything too much because I always know that I get a little carried away, and when I shade, so I will careful now. But this result that we achieve on this way is really beautiful. I will also shade a little with this blue color motif also, so that it all blends beautifully, and of course it will be wonderful. So So that's all for this tutorial, and thank you of course for watching my tutorial. Thank you for following my channel, and a kind reminder that you aren't still following me, so subscribe and like this video. See you next time in some next tutorial. Bye bye.